Man, check this out. The sunrise is just amazing. Oh, that is my view right now as I'm eating. Not too bad. That is right, we're doing a property backpacking overnight camp out tonight. Got the bag full of camping goodies, about a mile hike deep into the property. Gonna find a location, throw down some camping gear, have ourselves a camp out. Only about a half a mile to go. All right, I think we found a pretty nice spot to set up camp right on top of the ravine. There's actually the bottom of it right there, 35, 40 foot drop. We got tons of trees, nice clear area. I think it's gonna be perfect for tonight. All right, first things first, let's get my bag out of the dirt. After that, I think what we're gonna do is rig up a ridge line, and I do believe I'm gonna set up a tarp tonight. And then under the tarp, we have a cot. That is right. I have a cot that we brought in this bag. Wasn't exactly the most lightweight item ever, but figured it'd be kind of fun. Got my toggle picked up on the way in. There we go. Out of the dirt. But yeah, we got a cot for the night's sleep and a rain fly. So I think we'll be all set to go. All right, we're gonna use the same tree, I think, for our ridge line. Get this set up really quick. Should be fairly simple. Right back over that way. This will be perfect. And we bring it over to this tree right here. All right, bring the toggle around with me. Oh, my prusik knot. And should be able to tighten her up just like this. Perfect. All right, rain fly is up. As you can see, we got the cot right here. Get ready to set this thing up right now. Then it's on to some firewood. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh. And I also have the option for some extended legs. It makes it a little bit taller, so why not? All right, we're on the lookout for some firewood now. Now, I don't need nothing huge. No big fire tonight. It's been extremely dry. No need to have a forest fire tonight. So I got a little stove that'll help contain the fire, just big enough to give us that campfire feel, and we can do some cooking on top of it. So looking for some standing wood about the size of a baseball bat of some sort, like that one probably right there in front of me, and we'll go harvest that one. Ooh, don't even think I need a saw for this one. Found another. All right, let's process some wood. All right, now that I have my workout done for the day, put together my little stove I got. Boom, just like that. Little tiny stove. All right, we got the fire. It is rolling quite nicely. Get out my cook kit here. Gonna boil up some water. Got a little MRE style meal for tonight. So let's get some water in here. Let's get to boiling. Yeah, it seems about right. Also have is some bread I'm making tonight. So got a little cast iron. I'm gonna start preheating this thing. Just let it sit about there. Oh, we got boiling water. There we go. All right, come back to you later with some bannock, flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, and cinnamon. Just add water. Get it to the consistency that you like it. All right. Then you just give her a little flip once the one side kind of gets cooked up. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That looks so good. All right, there we go. Turned out pretty good so far. I broke it into smaller chunks and it is getting really good looking. Check this out. Oh yeah, this is about done too. We are good to go. Turn around here. Got a nice view of the ravine. I can see across the ravine too, actually. All right, let's try this out. Oh yeah, that's always good. It's like a staple that I bring on most of my trips. That's good. All right, supper is done. Cleaned up all my utensils. Went ahead and batoned down the rest of the firewood. That way I'm ready for the mornings. Tomorrow I'll be waking up, making some breakfast too over the fire. So starting to get kind of dark. Gonna call it quits for tonight. Get out the sleeping bag. Probably just hang out, listen to nature for a bit before we fall asleep. So see you guys in the morning.
Good morning. I slept pretty darn good. Just before sun was up, something went tearing through the trees beside me and stopped and was just playing around over there. Something big, probably coyote. Could have been deer, I guess, but other than that, it's been pretty quiet. Pretty quiet morning. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Nice and chilly. Felt good sleeping out here. So gotta get the fire going again. Get some breakfast going.
All right, and along with cooking on the stove, so I'm gonna cook my bannock on the stove, wood stove. I have my little propane stove. I'm gonna use that for the water this morning for some coffee, so we can get them both going at the same time. So preparing bannock for this morning, a little extra thing I like to do, throwing in a oatmeal packet. This one's apple and cinnamon. It gives it a nice extra flavor. Kind of thickens it up a little bit too. Just dumping it right in there. And our water's done for coffee already. Let's do that first. There we go. All right, I do believe our bannock is pretty much ready to be flipped. Ooh, it's already loose. Let's check this out. Oh yeah. Well, let's see if I can do the old flipperoo. Oh, perfect. Ooh, that looks so good. Look at that. It looks better than last night. What I did actually is that plastic bag of mix is meant for a larger skillet. So I only put half of it in here. And once this is done, I'll just cook the other half. So it's a little bit thinner. It was so thick, that's why I had to break it up last night. All right, first round of bannock, I do believe, is done. I flipped it one more time. Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh my gosh. That is so good. All right. Round number 2. Man, that apple and cinnamon oatmeal, that's so good. Man, check this out. This sunrise is just amazing. Oh, that is my view right now as I'm eating. Not too bad. That one's probably about ready too. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can do the whole flip 2 times in a row. Oh, I failed a little bit on that one. Ooh, man, that looks good. Look at that. Nice brown. Let's see if we can get that scraped off. Oh yeah. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, it's loose already. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is just perfect. That was way easier splitting that ingredient packet in half. Even though I had to cook it 2 times, that was still quicker than cooking it once, super thick, trying to cook all the way through without burning the heck out of this. Well, as you can see, camp is pretty much tore down. So I have my ridge lines, the last thing right here, take care of, shove in my bag, and we are done with this trip. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. We'll see you next time. Later.